Good morning, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, first of all, congrats that you have got placed in a corporate company with the help of CMTI. That's happy
Thank
to
you.
hear.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so I am Meenu from Quality Department. Okay, so I just want to get your feedback interview. So, first of all, introduce about yourself, sir.
Um, you already know my name. It's Sagar. I'm from Chitradurga, ma'am. I have done my graduation from Murgamati Institute of Technology, and I have also done my masters from ICMAR. And I have a 1 year experience in interior industry, and now I'm working as a functional area associate.
Okay, how did you come to know about CMTI, sir?
Ma'am, I got to know about CMTI by one of my friend, ma'am. Like he also
Okay,
got placed in from CMTI only. So he
okay,
referred me. Like I'm struggling to get a job. Like I want in a particular industry. Like now I'm working. Even I am working now, but it's not completely a civil industry. It's environmental based. So I want to join into the civil industry. So I'm looking for an opportunity. So he referred me to join this course, like
okay,
CMTI. After that, I got to know about Ashok Kumar sir via
okay.
LinkedIn. So I like that I got to know.
Okay, fine. Like the course which you preferred, no interior design and site management.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
How was the thing? Like you're learning through online mode, I think so. So how did the course help you out?
Ma'am, actually in second lockdown, like second wave, I got to know about this course. I purchased it.
Okay.
Even I'm from Nikmar. I know the project management softwares, but this course helped me a lot. Like it is completely different from our theoretical courses.
Yeah.
It's related to the reality. Like everything will be explained clearly. Like all people are experienced, so they will tell you easily, and we can understand it completely in a different way. They will tell you in a different way with all the PPTs, and they explain from the same industry people. It will help us a lot.
Okay. So how did you like particular course, no, which you choose? That how did you like you are based on upon your interest or someone told this course is like worthwhile? How did you choose the particular course?
Ma'am, I already told you that I have an experience of 1 year like in interior industry, so I'm really passionate about interior. But
Okay.
after the second lockdown, we got less opportunities, why? Because the interior industry, all the complete civil industry got down. So
Because of this pandemic.
yeah,
This
ma'am.
pandemic situation that turned out everyone.
So I was looking for an opportunity. So after that, I got this. Then I learned from it. I studied all the courses like in whatever which is relatable to interior design. So after the second lockdown, I met Ashok Kumar sir. He gave me
Yeah,
advice like how to enter the interior industry.
I thought of asking you like this course, no, because some will be having like learning through online mode or ma'am offline mode. So what is the difference you're feeling whether online is good or offline? How did you prefer like online is how it was comfortable, how the app was supporting you, so you can tell that.
Ma'am, it is really good, ma'am. It's all based on our mentality. Like we can prefer offline and online also. We can study easily. Like if you're really interested in the subject, you can do it.
Yeah,
So
if they are
I
really interested. Yeah,
uh,
because some will be having like doubts. So how to get clarify, ma'am? Is the concept? How was the concept? Did you feel it was clear and cut? How was the concepts
it's good,
which you
ma'am.
was learning through?
I already told you, ma'am, like it is explained in a very easy way, and every project management software explained clearly. Like we have like a product the productivity things, and Cutlass and SketchUp, all the things are there in interiors. but many of the people don't know about all these things. Like they know interiors means just wall ceiling works, like wardrobe things, but it's not. It's
Okay.
completely different. The company will not run like this. Company will have certain rules and regulations and softwares for it. So we have to learn that. We got it from this course. Like they all the people are experienced from the particular industry. They explain very well.
Okay.
Who
So
are
you
really interested
feel,
in interiors, I'll suggest them to join this course.
of course, that's a great. We heard a good response from you because which you are learning, no, that the thing they'll be understanding what you are responding. So when you are giving a feedback something, so they will be understanding how the course is. Okay.
Hmm.
So you also telling no wardrobe, these things only they'll be having in the mind, like these
Hmm.
only the things we'll be having. Okay. So you are feeling like more comfortable. The concepts are very clear, right?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay. Would you like to refer your juniors or your friends or any other people's?
Ma'am, I should tell you, like, I already referred three students.
Okay, that's great. Because you may know about CMTI right now, and
Yeah.
you have done the course, you have got placed, so
Hmm.
you may know about these things, correct?
Yeah, ma'am. After that,
Okay.
I'll suggest one thing, ma'am. Like, civil industry is not just like in every other industries. Like, it's completely different. I suggest you to better take a better advice from my experienced person. Like
Okay.
I suggest everyone should meet Ashok Kumar sir. Like he'll give a better advice.
Okay, fine. Okay, you can give like few tips like how did you crack the interview?
Ma'am, I have an experience, so it was not difficult for me. So it is easy for me, but not a fresher will experience somewhat difficult. I suggest everyone should prepare very well. What are the things that told in a course like interior design course? They have to keep on do pointing, like everyone should learn particularly, like not all the things, but the basic things will be very important, like
Okay.
basic questions.
The questions and how we are preparing ourselves, you are feeling that is more important, right?
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah,
Because without preparing, we are not able to crack the interview.
yeah, ma'am.
Okay, so we need to prepare for that as well as what we are learning, the concepts, how we are feeling. That must be very thorough, right? So
Yeah,
that
ma'am.
then we can crack it. So you
Yeah, ma'am.
previously have experience in the sense, so you have like cracked your telling, or you have studied the concepts very well because of that you cracked.
No,
How
ma'am.
is it?
Even though we have an experience, it will be very difficult. Like we don't know the basic things, definitions, or any particular standard units. We don't know all these things. Like we know all these things, but there is a particular standards
Okay.
completely changed. So after joining this course, I got to know this all these things. So after that, I mentioned all those things, and I got prepared for the interview.
Okay. Now after getting placed, how did you feel? Like,
I'm feeling great,
how
ma'am.
was your
Actually,
feeling? Like, I would just want to speak few words regarding it.
it's completely different, ma'am. I'm on cloud nine. Like it's completely different. I can't explain all those things.
There is no words you're telling.
Yeah, ma'am. That's for sure.
That's what we want is we are really happy for your feedback. Okay. Thank you so much, Sagar. So I wish
Thank
you
you.
good luck. Okay.
Okay.
Thank you
Thank you
so
so
much.
much.
Thank you so much,
Thank you.
sir. Thank you.